Can seniors get free tree cutting service in Crown Point, Indiana?
In some cases, yes, but it usually depends on the situation. The city may help with dangerous trees near public sidewalks, streets, or power lines, and some community programs offer assistance to low-income or elderly homeowners. Local charities, church groups, or volunteer organizations sometimes provide help for safety-related tree work. It's also worth calling the City Public Works Department to ask what services are available and what qualifies. Not every tree qualifies for free removal, but asking locally is often the best first step. If you have any questions, contact the Region's Tree Service. Address: 9834 Grant Plain, Crown Point, IN 46307, United States. Phone number: 219-323-5466. Website: theregionsTreeService.com. If this helped, like the video, share it with a neighbor, and subscribe for more local home and yard tips. Thanks for watching.